Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a compatible Japan Energy Saver unit, smartphone, Wi-Fi, and utility account. First, power the unit and launch the official app. Next, sign in or create your account so settings will sync to the cloud. Then use Bluetooth to detect the device, follow prompts to connect it to your 4 GHz Wi-Fi, and accept any firmware update. Once done, you'll see the device listed in the app and a green status icon indicating successful pairing. Now you configure behavior to save real energy. Open schedules and map peak versus off-peak times, assigning sleep mode or appliance group timers to reduce load during expensive hours. Then pick an operational mode: Eco for maximum savings, Balanced for comfort, or Performance if you need priority power. Set temperature or power thresholds to enforce limits. Make sure to link the app to your smart meter or utility API for live consumption data. This allows finish by optimizing and locking in gains. Check 24-hour and monthly reports to see which appliances spike usage, then tweak schedules or thresholds to shift load. Enable firmware auto-update and back up your configuration so future improvements install seamlessly. Set push alerts for abnormal consumption and low connectivity so you can act fast. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Restart your router, toggle Bluetooth on your phone, and reattempt pairing within 2 minutes. This clears common connection glitches and restores sync.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.